Hey everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted a furniture repair kit. I am so excited for this. I typically use a Sharpie to make things work. You get this set of, I'm gonna call them crayons. It is sort of this like putty, and you push this into any holes or big divots in your furniture, and then you sort of use this spatula to smooth it out. This is great. When I moved, I had a beautiful piece of furniture that was damaged slightly and I needed something to fill the furniture with, and I didn't even know what you get. So this is it. So we're gonna put this into actually my banister to repair it. I'm gonna show you that in a minute. I also love that this comes with markers, because sometimes you don't necessarily need to fill a hole, but you need a marker. For a white kitchen, look at this, love it. If you have a black piece of furniture, you have this. You can see you have the nice tip on that. You get so many different brown colors. Browns for all of the browns that are out there. So let's give this a whirl and see how it works. Okay, I'm gonna use the wood filler sticks, these 10 different colors. That's that waxy crayon to repair my railing here. The hole on this is pretty big. So you can heat this up with a match and then drip it in. I actually just used my fingers to make this warm because this hole was so big. And then I pushed everything in with my finger. I'm also gonna show you the spatula in a minute. This is great for scratches, scruffs, cracks, nail holes on furniture, floors, doors, cabinets, all the things. It was really easy to use. I am not handy at all, and I think I did a great job. I love this product.